Hello everyone, and today we're going to be going over how we can look at finding people who are talking about things that are specific to your business, product, or service offering. So in short, we're going to find high intent leads because there's no better intent than someone suggesting or talking around the subject area that you could potentially help them with. So to do this, we first must create a social listening search as always. And to do this, I've obviously used it in relation to Trigify, so you'll need to edit this accordingly. But what I've done is I've done a search where I have social listening and marketing or influencer or signal. So this is finding people who are talking about these particular keywords. Then we're going to go across to the workflow section and we're going to use a template, engage with high intent leads here. So we're going to open this template up. And then we need to select the search that we want to use. So in this case, it's social listening, marketing. And then we have, the first up, we have an agent, which we need to edit the prompt in align with what our business does. So this prompt is saying, I've recently monitored this person talking about brackets. In the brackets, you obviously need to edit what the search that you've done. So this was social listening linked to marketing, influences, or signals. My company, Trigify, obviously edit this as well. Helps companies with social listening, so I want to understand if this post is talking about how you can use social listening to help with your marketing efforts. Give me a true or false, and then here is the post. Then I've inserted the poster, and I'm using 4.5. I typically always use 4.5 unless I'm doing more written-based tasks, aka writing me an email. Then I'll use 5. And then we have an if variable. This if variable is looking to see if this is true or false, where we then go through to the person enrichment nodes. This is going to run and get all of the information, so their location, their company size, company name, who their company is, etc., 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 where I'm then running 2 different if nodes. The first one is checking to see if they're ICP based on their job title. So do they have founder mentioned in their profile? Do they contain marketing? Do they contain growth? And so on. And then we also have one for location. So here you could set this up. You could say, okay, I want to see if we're going to type in country. So for person enrichment, country contains, or you could say equals actually. And let's just say like the United States. I'm going to save the condition there as well. And then if that's true, so now we know, their ICP, then we can add them to something like an instantly campaign, or you could add them to any kind of actionable platform here of your choice, any email sequencing tool, LinkedIn automation tool, cold power dialer tool, whatever it is, whatever tickles your fancy, you could then add that to that. And then this is going to then find you, based on the agent running the analysis, the ICP checks, people talking about relevant things for your business so your campaigns can crash.